All right, so I feel like cooking today. I feel like today is a day to cook. I know I don't have an ovens mitt on. I get it. I get that I don't have that on. But it's time to cook. I want to make a beat. I don't know what kind of beat I want to make. I kind of feel like I want to do something either energetically or just something that is just soulful. You know, no matter what, though, the drums got to be banging. That's kind of like a duh. It's kind of a given. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. Back and forth because I like to make sure that I catch the rhythm right on the one. That's important to me. Like, keeping these rhythms going is so important, which is probably a reason I shouldn't be talking right now, but I mean, I wanted to explain the process, so here we are. Decap, thank you for always putting your 808s in the right key for your packs. You know how frustrating it is? I don't want to have to go to the pitch regions on Edison. You need to thank Decap. You see him, shake his hand, give him a hug. Okay, don't do that. You probably don't want to give him a hug unless you ask him. But I'm just saying, put your 808s in key, man. It's frustrating. Anyways. I played by ear my entire career. It's time to have to put my big boy pants on and learn how to play. So I'm starting to get this down. I've dedicated at least an hour a day to learning. So even somebody like myself, who is a veteran in this, still has some learning to do. But let's go to my cheat code, my side piece. Don't tell my wife. Her name is Splice. I think about her even when I'm asleep. Don't tell her that. I don't want to. Hey, Ray, don't tell her that. Please don't tell her that. All right, here we go. So my favorite, Endless Smile. Let's see what we can do. So this is 175, fit to tempo. We're going to use, type in BPM 175. right now what I'm doing is I'm kind of getting in my mind how I want to format this beat. My style is very much about how to make trap as cinematic as I possibly can. So there's a lot of sounds in here that have a heavy reverb, a lot of sounds that are here for subtle shifts in energy, subtle shifts in really just the overall mood of this. Obviously I have like this brass. I'm not gonna play that the whole way through, but there's certain things that I think I want to do. Like right now I have, that can be verse all the way. That can be the last 8 bars is what I'm thinking. I put all my sounds together and I just separate them out as I go, because I feel like when I sit there and I put everything together, it lets me know that cohesively this all goes together. Sometimes we separate many sounds and then we try to put them together and it's like a peanut butter and macaroni and cheese sandwich. You don't want to do that. So I try to keep the peanut butter and jelly as much as possible. So right now what I got going on, I actually want to see, this is where I utilize scalar. Like when you don't play the keys, you got to find ways to really utilize the software that has been made to make your life a lot easier. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to run these keys over here through scalar and then have them basically generate some chords based upon it. Alright, cool. So I want to find some human vocals. Once again, I'm telling you how important human sounds, not from an actual computer, are so important to my sound in terms of just warming it up. You'll barely hear this, but the idea is that you'll feel this. Let's actually mess around with the organization. We'll do that, and then we'll call it a wrap on this one. I feel the anticipation building. I need to like tease it a little bit more. I actually want to do something rhythm-wise with the drums. Now that it's building. The beginning of this so it's a little bit more cinematic with a bass that only comes in on the build-up. So I think I'm going to use the brass as sort of the way that I lead in this bass, because this bass is going to be very disrespectful. I'm going to use the dub bass that I found on the Scarby. You can just feel it in this room. Oh my goodness. I think this one is done. I think I think I'll come back to the chorus and we'll have it build up, put the drums over that second build. I think we got something special here. I think this is something that I can definitely come back to. No need to force the process. I enjoy it. focus light. I don't know what it means, but it stinks, and I love it. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to the channel, Curtis King TV. As you always know, we'll do more cook-up videos very soon. Thank you for watching. Peace. Look up, Nazi. Say cheese.